Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So ad characters are not just visuals, they are conversion tools. The right character can increase trust, attention and sales. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to create the best character for ads using OpenArt in 2026. So first thing, define your target audience. Like start with who you are targeting. Okay, so choose like age group, gender, lifestyle, problem and pain points. For example, young students struggling with productivity. Okay, so choose the right character types that convert. So UGC creator, like casual, relatable, professional, okay, lifestyle person. So match character to product. Okay, create a realistic based character like OpenArt. Use realistic prompts, for example, realistic young women. Okay, so I will show you here a example: realistic young women, natural lighting, casual outfits, smartphone, selfie styles, slight imperfections, vlog style. Okay, so generate multiple times, pick the most natural clip or image that you liked. Okay, avoid AI perfection, focus on expression and emotion. Use expressions like excitement or excited, concerned, okay, curious. For example, like this. Okay, same character, surprised expressions, surprised expression, wide eyes, natural reaction. Okay, so emotions or emotion equal engagement. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.